Hey guys, and in this video I will show you a quick information. I would not say tip. It's readily available, but sometimes not sure because for the purpose of interactivity, we may want to see, let's say, along with these curves, whenever the line is taking a curve, there should be a point over there. Maybe that's how your organization have been creating the chart, and they're asking that in the plotly that's how it should be, or something like you are, let's say, recreating a chart which is having dots for the one type of measure and line for another. Well, how you can do that is pretty simple. I'll show you both the ways. So first of all, let's see how you can simply say the dots that you need to create. So I think the option is nothing but the markers. So if I go ahead and execute this, this. So now you can see the away goals are now in the those scatter points, if you see, right? But let's say this doesn't make sense a lot. Yeah, I can see that why. So you need something which is connecting. So what you can do is markers plus lines, another option. So quick thing I wanted to show. So execute this, execute this, execute this, execute this. Now you can see that you have the option, or you can see both the markers as well as the line chart. So this is what I quickly wanted to show in this video. And as you know, you have a lot of options that you can change related to the mode via the markers. I have shown it in the previous video, so feel free to go back and watch that if you have forgot that. That will help you to extend your line or extend your markers in a way which you want for your presentation. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.